Doctoral students of today operate in extremely interdisciplinary times. Every research topic appears in the literature of many fields. A dissertation can be situated at the level of disciplines, which resides conceptually above the level of literatures. In the first year of my dissertation study on information in the hobby of gourmet cooking, I discovered that relevant research could be found in almost every social science. I captured the interdisciplinary landscape of my topic in this diagram. Each piece of pie represents a discipline. Through this secondary research, I learned that American studies, women's studies, anthropology, leisure studies, nutrition, and public health all had something to say about the hobby of gourmet cooking. Fascinating distinctions in search terminology in the meaning of cooking itself existed across these fields. No dissertation can invoke the perspectives of every field. Hence, a key decision early in any dissertation is to choose just a few most relevant disciplines to inform and color your research. Here, make the interdisciplinary complexity of your study explicit. Provide graphical representations and a narrative of its disciplinary intimacy.